Yes. Uh-huh. These long wave bands, yeah, 148 to 283.5 kilohertz. Yes. These are used in Europe and in parts of Asia and Northern Africa. Oh, and the digital audio broadcasting. Yes. Now, I just wanted to look at the Gwen Tower system. Oh, and then online, if you could go through what's known as radio. Yes. It could be that you could broadcast through the Wi-Fi. In fact, I put online on my drive what is known as Wi-Fi. Did somebody tag my personal electronics with some sort of software so that, I would say that's violating my privacy without a warrant? Yes. I noticed that when I reset this phone, there were all these little Wi-Fi tags in there. Yeah. I just want to know, is Collin County intentionally right now? I'm going to sue you. Now, broadcast waves, yes, frequency modulation. This is FM, this is AM, these are audio frequency waves, this is radio frequency waves, yes. And then there's some very long range waves, yes. Could you get the radio telescopes that are looking out into outer space? Hell. Now, somebody, yes, is playing super top secret again today where you decided to go with the radio telescopes. Yeah. Or maybe online you're one of these shortwave radio individuals. Yes, yes, yes. Or you just can't acknowledge the laws of the United States. Why don't you get me both ears again, pal? Now I'm going to need to know who you're listening to because I do understand how radio works. Yes. Now, let's see. Radio equipment. There's a citizen band radio. Ouch. There's the emergency radio system from World War II. Yes. There's the electricity goes to. Oh, could you? Oh, my goodness! You decided to turn on that. We used to have what was known as alarms. It would go off. Yes. And let's say there was going to be a nuclear attack, just for hypothetical. Yes. And they used to do this really large. Yeah. Could you get the physical location of where those are at? Yes. 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 Now, you didn't actually put any radio waves through the broadcast system alerting the citizens of any emergency, maybe a pending typhoon or hurricane or some sort of tornado or some sort of military attack on the United States. Did you do that? Did you decide to run the? Well, if I look at the bell tower of the actual courthouse, yes, it does. I think somebody, right, decided to wire in some radio signals, yes, so as to sow into the brains of the dogs outside of the frequencies of actual human hearing. Could you get me the World War II emergency broadcast system in the event of nuclear destruction? We will set off this large alarm informing everybody to go to their basements. That's right. That's right. See, in this county, they've been doing things for a long fucking time right now. So why don't you give me that bell tower? Why don't you give me the fucking bell tower?